How y'all doing? We are going to make Parmesan crusted pork chops. Woohoo! You got your pork chops here. The recipe calls for 1/2 inch, but I think these are about 1/4 because I couldn't find 1/2 inch. And y'all know I like Mrs. Dash, but I've got the ingredients right here on a little piece of paper so that I will leave them in the description for you. I got all my ingredients in this little cup right here. And it calls for Italian seasoning. However, I have Italian breadcrumbs, so I didn't add the Italian seasoning. And when I get ready to, because I've got my milk and my eggs right here already prepared. And once I get them all coated and everything, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on top. And I think that's about it, because this has, let's see, this has the garlic salt, the black pepper, the lemon, well, it doesn't have lemon pepper, but we're not too thrilled with lemon pepper, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. So I think we've got it covered. Okay, so if you want to, what I did is I figured out how much all of this comes to, and then I added the same amount for this. Okay, so the recipe calls for 1/2 inch pork chops, 2 beaten eggs, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of whole milk. Sometimes you need a little bit more than that. A cup of breadcrumbs, 2/3 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Got it. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dry Italian seasoning, and 1/4 of a cup of butter, which you drizzle on it at the end, before you put it in the oven, because I'm going to put mine in my air fryer. Okay, and you've got to spray all your pans, of course. Got a bowl with all this in it, and then I'm going to have a plate where I'm going to put the pork chops in and coat it with all this stuff. Okay, let's get going. Alright, here we go. You mix all of your, your breadcrumbs and your Parmesan cheese and your spices all together. Get it all good mixed up. Alright. You take your pork chop, put it in the milk. The recipe calls for 8 pork chops. It's kind of hard to find 8 pork chops in a pack these days. I got 6 and I was thrilled to death. Normally, I divide up my packs when I get them like this, but we'll just have leftovers. We're going to use the air fryer oven, and I've coated this pan, and I'm going to put foil on this. I'm going to show you what we're going to have with it. We've got the tomatoes and okra and corn right there. Fantastic stuff. And we're going to have, where'd it go? Mac and cheese. Mr. Childers loves Cracker Barrel mac and cheese. Before you put them in the oven, what you want to do is you want to sprinkle them with a little bit of garlic powder. And if you like salt on everything, then you can do that. But my Mrs. Dash has salt in it. And then you just sprinkle just a little bit of butter on them. There you go. Just drizzle it. Whoa. I don't want it in the floor. I just mopped the floor today. Alright, here we go. Okay, there we go. Alright. Oh, and put it in the oven. And I put mine on the middle rack. It takes about 20 minutes. And then, let's see. Come on, 20 minutes. And 350. There we go. All right, I always do the airflow and start. There we go. And in the middle of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them over. So in about 10 minutes, turn the pork chops over. And we've got 3 more to do. Okay, we're going to pause it. So all I have to do is open the door. They're looking pretty good. They smell awesome. All right, let me take them out and turn them over. And I put mine over my, oh, look at that. They're already crusty looking. Yummy. All right, let's turn this puppy over. There you go. All right. A few more minutes. 10 to be exact. Okay. Put those back in there. They've been turned over. And you see my foil. That's what I was talking about a while ago. Because that keeps my drip pan clean. And we shut the door. And it automatically starts right back up. Sweet.
He's good.
Okay. What you think?
I'll take me a little bite here.
Is it good? This is the first time I've ever made this. Yeah?
Very good. Got good flavor.
All right. Sweet. All right. Y'all give us a thumbs up.
That's good.
And don't forget to subscribe. See you later.